If you want to use a Blackbox extension in Chrome, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Brave and Chrome, by the way, the same settings, the same tools, so you don't have to worry if you don't use Brave or Chrome for that step. You can use it as identical as the Brave and so forth, right? Same goes both ways. And what you're gonna do, go ahead to the three bars at the top right and click the extension. Okay, extensions, and then as you can see, if you want to go to your to your Chrome store extensions, go ahead and click the web store, and you're gonna see a pop-up window appearing to you like this. Okay, you're gonna see the interface. What you're gonna do, you're gonna just type right here tap Blackbox AI. Okay, and then basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just download that extension. Okay, and as you can see right here, I don't have it yet. It's not available in my region yet. But basically, just like the ChatGPT, you're gonna just go ahead and download the extension, add it to your Brave or Google Chrome for that case. And then basically, after you add it, you're gonna click the extensions right here, and basically you're gonna see the Blackbox.ai. Click the pencil or the pen right here to see it appearing in front of you, right? The extension, and then click the Blackbox or the AI tool to just help you ask questions about certain topics or brainstorm ideas, or you want to know where that image came from and all that. Same goes for Blackbox .ai. So basically, you're gonna download the extension, add the pin by clicking the extensions right here after you download it, and then you're gonna be able right here to see the tool appearing in front of you. Click the tool, Blackbox or the AI GPT, and then basically you're gonna be able to talk or ask questions from here. All right, so simple as that. And let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.